In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name on desktop. Before we jump in, a quick note on what this change actually does. Your store name is the brand label customers see across your storefront, checkout, order confirmations, and many emails. It's different from your myshopify.com URL, which is the internal address created when you first set up your store. Changing the store name won't change that URL, but it will refresh the customer-facing name everywhere it appears. Start by opening a desktop browser and logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and scroll all the way down to Settings. It's the gear icon at the bottom. Click that to open your store's settings area. Inside Settings, find and click General. Depending on your interface, this may also appear as Store Details or Store Details and Address. You'll be taken to a page that summarizes key information about your store. Under the Store Details section, look for the Store Name field. This is the name your customers will see. Click the Edit icon, the little pencil next to the field. Type in your new store name exactly the way you want it displayed. Keep it clean and brand consistent. Short names are easier to read in headers and emails, and avoiding excessive punctuation or special characters helps keep things looking professional across themes and devices. If you're rebranding, this is a good moment to double-check spelling and capitalization so it's consistent with your logo and social profiles. When you're happy with it, click Save. The Save button is typically at the top right or the bottom of the page. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were saved. After that, your new store name should take effect right away. If you don't see it immediately on your storefront or checkout, refresh the page and consider clearing your browser cache. Some themes or email templates might take a moment to reflect the change, but it's usually instant. A few important reminders. Changing the store name does not change your myshopify.com subdomain. That address is fixed once your store is created. If you want a different URL for customers to visit, you'll need to use a custom domain instead. The store name change affects what customers see at checkout and in communications, but it doesn't touch your back-end URL or disrupt the way you manage products, orders, or apps. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've updated how your brand appears to customers across Shopify.